Let's ramp up. Kendall Matthews here, and I want to share this poem. I heard it a long time ago from my mentor from afar, Les Brown. It's by the poet John Greenleaf Whittier. It's one that I've dedicated to memory because if you live long enough, you know that there will always be challenging times. Remember, don't quit. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you're trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debts are high, and you want to smile but you have to sigh, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Life is strange with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learns, and many a failure comes about when he might have won had he stuck it out. Don't give up, though the pace seems slow. You may succeed with another blow. Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint of the clouds of doubt. And you never can tell just how close you are. It may be near when it seems so far. So stick to the fight when your heart is hit. It's when things seem worse that you must not quit. My challenge to you is to listen to this again and send it to a friend or a fellow entrepreneur who is struggling right now. Many of us need to cut expenses, but none of us should cut our expectations. I'm Kendall Matthews, and my team and I help business owners save money selecting the right business technology or software for IT and digital marketing projects. And I want you to remember to subscribe to this channel and click to receive notifications. Ramp up and keep moving forward.